1500-watt panini press with non-stick, scratch-resistant Quantanium cooking surface. Flat bottom plate for fast, thorough cooking. Rib top plate creates grill marks. Floating hinge, 4 height settings, on/ready lights, non-slip feet, locking storage clip. Core trap, brushed stainless steel housing, user manual with recipes included. In keeping with its heritage of creating the world's first domestic version of a professional sandwich press, Breville introduces the Panini Duo. With a 1500-watt heating element that heats up quickly, the Panini Duo's top plate delivers beautiful grill marks on any kind of bread, while its bottom plate delivers even and quicker heat on the flat to make the perfect panini or your own toasted sandwich creation. Grill surfaces are made with a non-stick, scratch-proof Quantanium surface for easy cleaning. With its sturdy construction and stainless steel construction, the Panini Duo delivers on Breville's promise of performance and elegance.Care. The grill is easier to clean when slightly warm but should always be allowed to cool somewhat before cleaning. Always clean the panini press after each use to prevent buildup on baked-on foods. Wipe the cooking plates with a soft damp cloth. If the cooked-on food is not removed with the damp cloth, reheat the grill for 1 to 2 minutes, then brush the food with a little oil. Allow to stand for 5 minutes with the grill turned off, then wipe with a damp cloth. Wipe the outside of the grill with a soft damp cloth and warm soapy water. Do not use abrasive cleaners or harsh scouring pads on either the plates or the outside of the grill. This can scratch and damage the surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect sandwich maker and toaster. I'm so glad I purchased this panini press instead of one of the cheaper plastic ones. I'm sure this one will last a very long time. It's so easy to use and clean the non-stick surface. And I like that there are slight grill marks on only one side instead of the deep impressions on both sides like so many of the other products have. So far, I've made perfect grilled cheese sandwiches, with no added oil, great quesadillas, and wonderful bruschetta. I can toast 2 sandwiches at once, even using large slices of bread, and can use regular-sized tortillas. This is my first product like this, and I don't plan to use it for grilling, although I could. It folds up compactly for storage and is small enough to fit in our appliance garage cabinet on the kitchen counter. Note, there is no on/off switch, but it's simple enough to unplug after using. It has a light to let you know when it's heated up and ready to use. There is no way to collect grease, but the smooth lower surface is so easy to clean with a moist paper towel. For me, it's perfect.